Good morning, student. I am Akhilesh Kumar from Ikra English School. I am going to teach you physics of class 10th. Okay, your chapter is the human eye and the colorful world. Okay, in this chapter we have to study about the human eye, its structure, its part, and the function of the all parts. Okay, and also we have to study about the defect in vision. Okay, and there how we correct them. Okay. First of all, we just describe about the human eye. What do you mean by human eye? Okay, we know that the human eye, that means eye is our sense organ. It senses the light. Okay, if we close our eye, we can't see anything. Why? Because the light sense by our eye only. Okay, no other part sense the light. Okay, only our eye can sense the light. Okay, so we by the help of light we can see the anything. Okay, it is sensitive sense organs. It acts like a camera and make us able to capture the colorful picture of the surrounding. Okay, its work just like a camera, not a camera but just like a camera. It make us able to see what are the things around us. Suppose that here right eye human eye, but when we close our eye we can't see it. Only when we open our eyes, then we can able to see what here written. Okay, so eye help us to see the thing what around us. It form an inverted real and lights and on the light surfaces of the retina. Okay, it's formed an inverted and real image on the light sensitive surface of the retina. है ना, हमारे आंखों में क्या होता है, कुछ एक रेटिना पार्ट होता है, यहाँ पर क्या होता है लाइट को सेंस करके वहाँ एक इमेज बनाएगा, बट वो इमेज कैसा होता है, इन्वर्टेड होता है, रियल होता है. क्या होता है, इन्वर्टेड एंड रियल. ओके, I am going to just draw here the figure of eye and then explain about their parts. What are the parts? Okay. See here. Okay. Picture complete. Just I write here its name. These both are known as the ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles. Okay. It helps to the contract or expand the lens. Okay, this is your lens. This is lens. Okay, it is a transparent muscle. Okay, gel like a structure. This place is filled up with a liquid which is known as the aqueous humor. Aqueous humor. A-Q-U-E-O-U-S. Aqueous humor. Okay. Next one is, this is your pupil. This way from where the light enters in the eye is known as the pupil. Okay. This is your iris which control the amount of light. Okay. This is cornea. The outer bulging part is known as the cornea. This part is directly connected to the atmosphere and get oxygen from the atmosphere. Okay, this is cornea. This part is also filled with a jelly-like substance which is truly transparent, known as the vitreous humor. Vitreous humor, V-I-T-R-E-O-U-S, vitreous humor. Okay, this is your optic nerves. Optic nerves. This part is known as retina. This is the part where the image formed. Okay, here two parts also, rod and cone. Here two types of muscles, rod and cone. Okay, rod and cone. Okay, rod detect the dim light and cone detect the color. Red detect the dim light and cone detect the color. Okay, when light enters from the through the pupil, okay, it is your iris which control the amount of light which have to enter the eye. This is your lens that focus the incident ray, refracted ray on the retina, and at the place where it made the image is formed. Okay, and the image is real and inverted. Okay, here two types of muscle, rod and cornea. Rod detect the dim light and cornea detect the color of the image. Okay, this is ciliary muscle. These help to accommodation, that means the fix the focal length of the lens. Okay, ciliary muscle help to the fixing of focal length of the lens. Okay, this is a short introduction about your eye. So just read your book and try to understand.